Hey y'all, it's Amaya Nushan, and today we're going to be doing a glueless wig install on myself. This is a 24-inch 5x5 HD closure from Super Hair. This hair was really soft. I really enjoyed this unit. I'm not even a glueless girl, but I actually really like this. Like, I took advantage of that elastic band, so we're going to just go ahead and hop right into it. As you can see, I'm using my flat wax stick to push these hairs back before I hot comb it. I actually am not selling any merchandise right now. I'm planning on doing a relaunch, but right now I'm just chilling. It's just a lot, so yeah, I'm just chilling right now. But yeah, y'all see that hairline. I love me a extra pluck hairline. I don't know why, it's just a vibe for me. And I know a lot of people don't like the extra pluck hairline, but I don't know. I like mine late as natural, I guess, as possible. I don't like no wiggy hairline, like a bold Wolverine hairline. Like, that's just not it. Like, I gotta have an extra pluck hairline. That's just me, though. I went ahead and styled my wig off camera because since I'm doing a glueless install, I feel like it made more sense to style it first before putting it on my head. Well, for the most part, I finished it on my head, but like the hot combing and the curling and all of that, I did off my head. But let's get into that hairline though. Like, y'all don't understand, like, your hairline made the whole hairstyle. Like, I feel like that's the signature to every stylist installs, is the hairline. Like, you can tell who did what just by looking at the hairline of the wig. But like I said, everybody not a fan of the overplucked look, and that's okay. Everybody got their own preferences, but that's my preference. So yeah, unless my client don't want it like that, I'm gonna do it like that, period. Now that we done curling, it's time to get into this install. Let's go. Like I said, this is a 5x5 HD lace closure. Y'all know I love me a closure and I love me some HD lace, so this was the one for me. I don't know why, I just feel like frontal's just not for me, especially in this hot ass heat. Closures is my best friend right now. And just because I'm doing a glueless install, I'm going to go ahead and remove that excess lace off because it just makes everything a whole lot easier. So, yeah. Okay, but now they already matching and I ain't even did nothing to it yet. Like, get into it. Like, don't play for real. Like, even though I consider this a fully glueless wig, like no spray and all of that, I still use spray just a little bit just to shape it to my head shape so it'll keep that same shape. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but like it kind of like places it, sets it in, I guess. So yeah, that's what you see me doing right now. But other than that, I didn't use anything else. Like, I can literally lift it up and pull it off. Okay, but it is definitely giving scalp. Don't play. Like, do not play. No glue. No glue. Glueless, period. I honestly really didn't care how my baby hairs looked in this install because I knew I was taking this wig right back off. So not too much on my baby hairs, y'all. I didn't care at all. I honestly messed my curls up bad trying to take them down. I had to put too many pins in there trying to pin my hair out the way when I was installing the wig. So it's okay though. No curls. That was a mess, but we ain't gonna talk about it. And I don't know nobody that do some curls and not put no layers in the wig. Like, you gotta put some layers in there. I feel like it just sets the whole mood off. Even though it wouldn't curl how I wanted it to, you still gotta put some layers in there. Especially with really, really long hair. Like, unless it's like one curls, you gotta put some layers in. I just feel like it looks so funny without no layers on no long hair. And every time I struggle with this, I cannot flip my hair on myself like I can on my clients. Like, it's so weird. How, I guess it's just because it's reversed. I don't know. But I can never get it to act right. But that's pretty much it. I finished styling my hair off camera because it took me forever to get it how I wanted, and I still didn't end up getting it how I wanted. But overall, I really did enjoy this wig. Once again, it was a 24-inch 5x5 HD lace closure from Super Hair. And yeah, I'm going to leave the link of the wig in the description box, and I will see y'all when I see y'all.